Ductal carcinoma. It's a type of breast cancer commonly found in women over 55 years of age, though there is no specific age you have to be to get this form of cancer. Ductal carcinoma accounts for nearly 80% of all breast cancer. Like many types of cancer, the symptoms can vary greatly from patient to patient, but commonly are swelling, irritation, pain, redness, scaliness, or lumps on the breast. Ductal carcinoma is caused by the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. Though there are many other genes that can increase the likelihood of getting this form of cancer, chances of survival depend greatly on the diagnosis and treatment. There is no clear answer for what causes ductal carcinoma, but forms when genetic mutations occur in the DNA of the breast duct cells.
DNA replication is a process of making two identical DNA molecules from the original DNA molecule. First, helicase unzips the DNA, then breaks the hydrogen bonds apart. The two separated strands are used like templates to make new DNA. The first new DNA strand is called the leading strand, and the other is called the lagging strand. The leading strand is a short piece of RNA called a primer. Primer is produced by primase, a type of enzyme. Primase binds the ends of the leading strand, and primer is the starting point for DNA synthesis. DNA polymerase binds the leading strand, connecting it to the complementary nucleotide bases. The lagging strand are many RNA primers that are made by primase. Then all the bases are matched up.
If ductal carcinoma is left untreated, 40 to 50% cases may progress to invasive breast cancer. Surgery with or without radiation therapy is recommended. The surgery is the first step to treat ductal carcinoma. Depending on how much the cancer has spread, it will tell if a mastectomy or lumpectomy will be performed. If the cancer is spread, affecting a large part of the breast, a mastectomy will be done. If the infection begins to spread, there will be a choice of having a mastectomy or lumpectomy.
Biopsy is something that removes tissue from a suspicious area of the breast. When a biopsy finds breast cancer, it's important that the factors with it relate to the diagnosis. These factors help determine what kind of treatment will be needed. Testing on the tumor will also help determine the prognosis. The first important factor is the presence or absence of metastasis, and it is related to survival. Metastasis is the spread of cancer beyond the breast and to other organisms in the body. Surgery may be needed to remove tumor. Moderate risk in this operation. Some women will have very low risk of cancer returning.
Researchers are using CRISPR to find out just how important these faults are. We have this big catalog of genetic changes that increase the risk of cancer, says Dr. Mayo, whose team at the University of Cambridge is studying genetic changes associated with breast cancer, but we don't know how they increase the risk.